Hi there, students. Transcend. To transcend, a verb. Transcendent or transcendental as adjectives. So, to transcend means to go past the limits of something, the limits of a category or a concept. Issues like joining or leaving the EU should transcend loyalty to political parties. Yeah, this decision should go beyond what your political party tell you to do. Music transcends cultural boundaries. It goes across the boundary. So to transcend, to beat the negative or restrictive aspects of something. Art can transcend cultural boundaries as well. I transcended my personal feelings and agreed to help, even though I felt disgusted about doing it. I thought it was important to do. So it went further. I overcame my personal difficulties. Yeah, I transcended my personal difficulties. It can be difficult to transcend psychological conditioning. Yeah, you just react. But to transcend that, you need to stop and think before you react. So to transcend, to be more important than. Health and well-being should transcend any financial considerations. And then these adjectives: transcendent, passing the usual limits. Justice should be a transcendent quality in our lives. It should be transcendental. It should go above the limits of. Transcendent or transcendental, free from the constraints or limits of the material world. Transcendental meditation, where you leave this world. The concept of God is a transcendent idea. Yeah, it should transcend all of the material world. Well, at least it should. So to transcend, to exceed, to surpass, to outstrip, to go beyond the limits of. Yeah, to transcend, this should transcend national boundaries. To transcend, to surpass in intensity or power. So yes, these concepts transcend the ideas of class, age, or stereotype. So next question: how formal is this? I would probably give it a 6.5, 7, something like that. It sounds pretty formal. It sounds very intellectual. It's transcend, transcendental. This is a philosophical word. I think more informally, to go beyond. And notice as well, to transcend. He transcended his personal feelings. This concept has transcended national boundaries. And then as to the origin, it comes from Latin through French, transcendere, to climb over. Trans, over or across, and scandere, to, I think, to climb, yeah? So to climb over or to climb across. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Transcend, transcendental.